So hey guys, my name is Faran, and this is our submission for hackathon. This is our app SkinCareAI. It is a personalized skincare solution-based AI-driven disease detection application. So my name is Faran Taimoor, and with me, my teammates are Ifrat, Selasie, Pecker, and Alishba. So my our problem statement for this hackathon is for this project is that many people actually struggle to find right skincare products, and there are incorrect product usage can worsen their skin condition. So dermatologist visits can be expensive, and people actually don't have much time to actually go to dermatologist. So our solution is that we have actually built the app that actually recommends skincare products based on detected skin diseases. Okay, so what it does is actually it takes a picture of their skin, and the app then sends that picture to API, an AI API that is actually implemented in Flask and deployed in AWS. So what it does is if you take the picture and it sends to the API, and it gives you back the recommended products according to your skin condition. So how it works? First of all, the user has to capture an image, and then he will actually the app will send the picture to the API that is YOLO V8 skin disease detection API that we actually use to detect the disease, and then after that the app will automatically send that disease detection detected to the product recommendations API that is I actually implemented using Synastry API product usage. So here's our app demo. So this is our app demo. So I will describe you how our app works. So let me just show you how our app works. So this is the basic UI of our app. So we have a login page implemented here. So user can register to this app. In future, we can push them updates. So whenever ever our app actually becomes more stable. So this is when the user this is the so this part is actually where user has to go to take the picture. So if he goes to this tab, what happens is it will actually ask for you permission from the user to actually take the picture. So what I am doing here is I have a skin condition on my a small allergy on my forearm skin. So what I am doing is I am actually taking the picture. So it's actually going to take the picture, and so I have taken the picture, and you can clearly see that the skin is here. My forearm skin is actually taken, and it has automatically sent it to the API, and the results will come on this products tab. So when I will go to the products tab, the recommended products will be given to me. So these are some of the recommended products that the app is actually suggesting me to use for my skin. So this is the basic app structure of our app. So the front end is actually implemented in React Native. So we have used React Native to build the mobile app. For the back end, we have actually used Flask, and for disease classification, we have used an API that is that is implemented using YOLO V8, and a product recommendation system API is also used. So we have listed all of these technologies in our future in our further slides. The technologies we actually used here is so. First of all, I will tell you that what how our app is working. So first of all, the front end is actually sending the picture to the image. Then image is further sent to the disease classification API, and then the API actually send back the disease detected to the backend, and then the backend further sends the calculations to the product recommendation page, and the product recommendation page further gives back the recommended products to use for the skincare for our skincare, and the backend sends it to the front end. And what the front end does is front end just renders those products that the backend has gotten as a result. So these are some technologies that we actually use for front end. We actually used our React Native to implement the front end. For back end, we used Flask to implement the back end. For disease detection, we have used YOLO V8 skin disease detection API. Product for product recommendation dermatology, AI API SDK is used. So this is some of the benefits that our app provides. So first of all, personalized recommendations. So it can actually provide you uh, recommendation according to your skin conditions. So it is convenient and easy to use. Just three interfaces are implemented. All you have to do is take the picture and it will recommend you products, and it is cost effective. So we have actually uploaded it to the app store, but it actually for free. So it's actually very cost effective. It doesn't charge money. So we have so these are some of our future plans. So if you expand the database of skin condition and products, first of all we can actually implement now our database for what we are using is only one API, is limited to one API. So we can further use more APIs, or even can expand our database, implement implement the product recommendation system and the skin conditions database. We can actually increase that. And secondly, we can implement the user feedback and ratings for recommendations. And third is to partner with dermatologists and skincare brands.